documenting some of what I'm seeing here. Trying to make it down to Creighton. Must be some major going on over here. Oh my lord. Let's see if we can. Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh my gosh. Let's go this way. Hey guys, just trying to make it down to Creighton, which is near Vanderbilt Beach. Trying to get to, oh, there's our church, Methodist Church. This is the oldest church in Naples, First United Methodist Church, and it looks like it's done pretty well. I did see some roof off one house out there. I mean, it's just insane the amount of debris that's out here. It's insane. But I'm just trying to document what it looks like, what this devastation is. And, you know, so you know that it's not just the news, like, zooming in on one tree that's fallen. I mean, this is consistent across the board. So, it's telling me to turn left. Hold on. Let's see if we can get through over here. Naples fire up in front of me. But these are multi-million-dollar homes right here. This is the section I'm in. I'm only about a block, if that, from the beach. And as you guys may have seen, the beach has enormous waves for what we consider here in Naples. We don't get that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is one of the inlets that I frequently stop and I'll do my beach walk. I park right there. And if you guys can see, let's see if I can zoom in. It's just no access. Trees everywhere. Okay, so we're coming down by Naples Beach Club, which is the resort that we frequently go to here. Guys, it's hard for me. I'm trying to focus on the road, and I can't respond to your questions right now. If you want to text me, you can text me or message me. I'll try to help you as much as I can. Oh, love this house. Oh my goodness, look at that. You guys see the iron gates there in the front? Oh my goodness, but the house pretty secure. Just these trees. Holy caramba. And then here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Let me put the window down to you guys. Look at that. Holy shit. Sorry for the language, guys. Holy smackaroonies. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, good gosh. So, yeah, this is, again, we're about a block off of the beach. Not even. I mean, really, the beach is literally out right there. That's the beach. A little bit of water on the roads right now in these areas. I've seen it much worse. Like, we had some rains a few weeks ago from Harvey, and definitely had some major flooding then. But there's a park right here. You can just see all of this. Wow. Alright, so we're coming up on the beach club. So if you guys are looking for points that you know in the area where we're at. You can see they've done an amazing job getting these roads as clear as they are already. But Naples Beach Club is coming up here in a moment. Oh, it's starting to rain. Wonderful. Just what we need. All right. I think I'm getting closer to my destination. 0.5 miles. All right, so here's the beach club. This is where we frequently go for sunsets. It's an amazing hotel that we absolutely love. Our friends, when they come here, they stay. Look at that. It's all boarded up. Nobody's there. It's like a ghost town in there. Wow. But like I said, damage-wise, it looks like the buildings are intact. I don't see anything that here's the beach club again. I don't see anything. Alright, now I'm gonna put these on. Alright guys, since I'm driving I gotta hop off. I'll be back on later.